Hello friends and subscribers! Welcome to the Sanchez Official. Are you planning your first trip to Waikiki, Honolulu? In this video, we will showcase Hyatt Regency Waikiki Beach Resort and Spa, showing what it looks like, the atmosphere, and why this location is so popular for families. Then, we head out on foot to explore downtown Waikiki, passing shops, restaurants, busy streets, and popular walkways so you can see how safe, walkable, and convenient this area really is. We are now leaving the beautiful Maui Island and heading to Honolulu, Oahu, home to one of Hawaii's most famous destinations, Waikiki Beach. The flight is short, but the excitement is big, especially for first-time visitors ready to experience the energy of the city.
We're heading to Honolulu. So from Maui to Honolulu for another few nights. We'll see you guys there.
Just a quick tip, if you are flying into Honolulu Airport, getting to Waikiki is super easy. You can grab an Uber or Lyft and you will be at the Hyatt Regency Waikiki in under 30 minutes. And honestly, you don't need to rent a car. Waikiki is very walkable and parking here can get pretty expensive.
Okay, we officially arrived here in Hyatt Regency Waikiki. What a beautiful day to start with, and it's Sunday and we're just ready to explore the area. Nice. Wow, check out this view. Right off the balcony from the hotel is the famous Waikiki Beach. Oh my gosh, we're literally just gonna walk across the street. Okay, now we are going to our room. It's on the Iwa Tower, floor 28. So here we go. Alright guys, we are in floor 28. Look, they go all the way up to 40. Man, this is gonna be an amazing view. Okay, so our room is 2807. Let's go check it out together. Alright. This is our room, 2807. Chris, here we go.
Welcome to our junior suite with one king bed and a sofa bed, offering plenty of room to relax after a full day of exploring Waikiki. This is the bathroom. It's clean, bright, and very easy to use. They provide clean towels, basic toiletries, and enough counter space for your essentials. The toilet area is simple and spacious, and right next to it is the shower and tub combo. The layout of this room is so spacious and functional, especially for families. You have a comfortable sitting area, a large bed, and a sofa bed that is great for kids or extra guests. And the highlight is the balcony. Step outside and you will be greeted with views of Waikiki Beach, downtown streets, and the energy of the city below. It's the perfect spot to start your morning or wind down in the evening. As the night falls, downtown Waikiki lights up. The city feels lively but safe, a great atmosphere for families staying in the area.
Alright, we're gonna go try this Kirin Chinese restaurant. It's on-site restaurant here at Hyatt. Alright, let's see. So one of the dishes we ordered, their famous Wagyu black pepper short ribs
steak.
It's a sizzling plate, and then we ordered this chicken chow fan. So that's our dinner.
The beef Wagyu, really good.
Tasty, lots of flavor, and very tender. The beef is very tender. Obviously, you can't go wrong with chow fan plus with chicken on it.
Yeah.
Good combination, and you gotta have your white rice. So all in all, we're happy about this dish. So we like it.
Down on the lower levels, the hotel opens up into the Pua Leilani atrium shops, a bright, open-air space layered across multiple floors. It feels less like a mall and more like a relaxed island marketplace with boutique shops, surf brands, local souvenirs, and easy food stops tucked around every corner. As you move through the atrium, your eyes are naturally drawn upward and then back down to one of the hotel's most calming features, the central fountain and waterfall. Water flows from the upper levels all the way down through the heart of the building, filling the space with soft movement and ambient sound. It's one of those spots where you naturally slow down, take it in, and enjoy the moment. As you head up the escalator, more stores come into view, including convenience stops like ABC stores, perfect for picking up snacks, drinks, sunscreen, or last-minute beach essentials. You will also find useful guest services here like travel desk, car rental services, and tour booking, making it easy to plan your island adventures without ever leaving the hotel. From up here, you get a great perspective looking back down into the atrium with natural light pouring in from above. The pool deck feels like a hidden escape above the city. There's a resort-style pool, a hot tub, and plenty of loungers where you can relax, soak up the sun, and enjoy the easy island pace. It's calm, laid back, and a great place to reset between adventures. Just nearby is the Stay Fit Fitness Center, open 24 hours for guests. It's a clean, modern space with cardio machines, free weights, and strength equipment.
Let's just walk and check out the beach. Hi. Hi guys.
Hi! We are right in front of the Waikiki beach and the famous statue behind us.
That's it. What's his name? Duke?
Waikiki Beach is known not just for its beauty, but for its accessibility. You have calm waters, lifeguards on duty, nearby restaurants and hotels just step away, everything designed for easy, enjoyable beach days. After the beach, we continue walking through downtown Waikiki, where you will find a mix of local shops and well-known brand stores. This area is always lively and walkable, showing why many visitors choose to stay right here. We stopped by at the Royal Hawaiian Center, a popular shopping and dining destination in Waikiki. It's a great place to explore, grab a meal, or just take a break while enjoying the open-air atmosphere. One of the highlights downtown is the variety of food options. From quick bites to sit-down restaurants, there's something for every taste. Perfect for families with different cravings.
Okay, I guess I'm quite starving. For dinner, I ordered two items. One is this shrimp, Cajun shrimp ramen. 4 pieces of big shrimp with corn and boiled egg. Obviously, the ramen is there. And then this one, I ordered a poke bowl with salmon and ahi. That's what it looks like. So let's give this a try. Look at that labubu! It's what looks like at night here. I call this the Waikiki Strip. Like the Vegas Strip, right? Bright lights, upbeat vibes, and we saw labubu over there.
After a full day of walking, shopping, and exploring, we head back to the hotel. Another reminder of how convenient this location really is. And this wraps up our hotel tour for Hyatt Regency Waikiki Resort and Spa. If this video helped you plan your trip, Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next Waikiki video where we're doing a full day private tour of the entire island of Oahu. From Biodo Inn Temple to beautiful beaches, scenic viewpoints, the Dole Plantation, and a few incredible stops you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!